Iginiit na Malacanang ang pagkilala sa separation of powers ng tatlong sangay ng pamahalaan. Sinabi ito ng palasyo sa harap ng paghikayat umano ng ilang mambabatas na imbitahin si Pangulo Aquino sa pagdinig ng Kongreso ukol sa Mamasapano incident. Gate ng palasyo, nakatutok ang pamahalaan sa paglabas ng katotohanan sa likod ng insidente. Si Rocky Ignacio para sa detalye. Nanindigan ng Malacanang sa commitment ni Pangulo Aquino na matamong hustisya sa pagtukoy sa katotohanan sa likod ng Mamasapano incident na ikinasawi ng 44 na Special Action Force Commandos. Ipinahayag ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda sa harap ng paghikayat umano ng ilang mababatas na imbitahan ng Pangulo na dumalo sa pagdinig sa Kongreso ukol sa madugong engkwentro sa pagitan ng PNP Elite Force at MILF troops.
The pursuit of justice must be defined by a strong commitment to the truth. President Aquino has been unwavering in his support for truth-seeking regarding the Mamasapano incident and encourages any action that would contribute to arriving the truth at the soonest possible time. The President, through E.S. Ochoa, gave his consent to a request from the Senate concerning the release of transcriptions of SMS conversations between him and General Purisima in the early hours of January 25, 2015.
Iginit rin ng palasyo ang kahalagahan sa pagkilala sa pantay na kapangyarihan ng tatlong sangay ng gobyerno, ang ehekutibo, lehislatura at hudikatura. Magkagayunman, ipinaubaya ng palasyo sa Kamara ang pagtukoy ng kaparaanan para sa isasagawang investigasyon.
This is in keeping with upholding the dignity of the office and maintaining the principle of separation of powers and respect for a co-equal branch of government. We therefore leave it to the responsible members of Congress to arrive at a methodology that will aid the investigation, bearing in mind that the inquiry should remain focused on its primary mission, to uncover the truth. In this manner, the process will not be abused by those who might be inclined to take advantage of the occasion to advance personal motives. Again, this is a procedure where the House should work itself out, mindful of the separation of powers and the respect of respect for the co-equal branches of government.
Gate pa ng Malacanang na dapat munang tugunan ang deliberasyon sa Kamara para sa kahilingan ng pagsagot umano ng Pangulo sa 20 magiging katanungan hinggil sa insidente.
I think the processes, the deliberations on the request of the 20 questions should first be addressed to the House leadership. Again, we'd like to emphasize the commitment of President to uncovering the truth. No? Part of the reason here is to ensure that the statements of the President will also be enshrined in official documents. And for that reason, there is the commitment to seeking out the truth. However, this is a House investigation, and therefore, it should be in keeping with the House leadership as to the procedure, the manner of eliciting the truth, mindful again, and let me emphasize, mindful of the separation of powers and the respect for co-equal branches of government.
Nauna na ipinahayag ng Malacanang na makailang ulit na rin nagpaliwanag ang Pangulo sa maraming okasyon ukol sa insidente. Sa graduation rites ng Philippine National Police Academy sa Silang Cavite, muling nagsalita ang Pangulo kasabay ng panghingi ng pangunawa sa publiko, partikular na sa mga mahal sa buhay ng South 44. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.